Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy A36 5G, bringing several upgrades that make it a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. Launched alongside the Galaxy A26 and A56, this device offers noticeable improvements, especially in camera quality, charging speed, and long-term software support. One of the first things you'll notice is its refined design. It is slimmer and lighter, weighing 195 grams with a thickness of just 7.4 millimeters, making it comfortable to hold. The phone also comes with an IP67 rating, meaning it can withstand dust and water exposure. To enhance durability, Samsung has equipped it with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, providing better protection against scratches and accidental drops. The display is another highlight, featuring a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with full HD Plus resolution. It delivers smooth visuals thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations more fluid. The screen reaches a peak brightness of 1,200 nits, ensuring good visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. Security-wise, the phone includes an in-display fingerprint scanner for easy and secure unlocking. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, replacing last year's Exynos 1380. This new processor brings better speed and efficiency, improving overall performance in everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking. The phone is available in two configurations, one with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and another with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. However, there is no microSD card slot, so users will have to rely on internal storage. On the software front, it runs Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0. A major selling point is the brand's commitment to longevity, as the device will receive software updates and security patches for 6 years. This means users can expect Android updates up to version 21, ensuring the phone stays relevant for a long time. When it comes to photography, the Galaxy A36 5G doesn't disappoint. It features a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization for sharp and steady shots, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The front camera is where Samsung has made a significant upgrade, equipping the phone with a 12-megapixel selfie shooter, the same one found in a premium Galaxy S24 series. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, with 10-bit Super HDR delivering high-quality footage with better dynamic range. Connectivity options include support for 5G networks, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a USB-C port. The phone also allows dual SIM and eSIM functionality, offering more flexibility for users who need multiple numbers. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy A36 5G shines. It is powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring it lasts through an entire day of use without trouble. Charging speeds have also been improved, as the phone supports 45-watt fast charging, allowing it to reach 66% in just 30 minutes. With a combination of a high-quality display, powerful performance, improved camera setup, and long-term software support, the Galaxy A36 5G is a solid choice for those looking for a reliable mid-range smartphone. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest devices.